welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Asia Lorraine, and today's video is going to be a hygiene video, especially Valentine's Day is coming, girls, females, my ladies, so we have to stay clean, we have to smell good for our mans. 2021, we are going to start fresh and clean and know what to do and know what our skin likes and know what our skin doesn't like. Valentine's Day is coming, like I said, so I think you guys should watch this video so you can smell good, so when he smells it through your neck, your body, whatever, you know you will love it. So make sure you subscribe and like this video. I know I haven't been posting. This year is going to be filled with new videos. I'm gonna try to write some ideas. I've been starting my own business, share how it's going so far, my launch day and stuff like that. If you guys want to know more about your hygiene and stuff like that and what I use in the shower, make sure you watch the whole video. So let's get into it. Okay ladies, so now that you're here and you're still watching, my shower routine is a very long 30 minutes at least. First thing I use when I go in the shower, I use a bar of soap which is called Olay. I love this so much, makes my skin so soft. I did try other bar soaps, but like Olay is literally like the best. I do have sort of sensitive skin and I think my skin could get really dry, so this just helps moisturize and keep it hydrated. Recommend you guys try out this product if you haven't, and it smells so good. Like it will just leave your body like all like fresh, like honestly. Like I do use this soap with a rag. I do recommend you guys use a rag when you use bar soaps because you're scrubbing yourself. Like you need to get the dirt off, okay? Like you could use a loofah. I do use a loofah when I use a body wash. Yes guys, I wash like 3 times, okay, 3 or 2 times. And yeah, so I do recommend you guys use these two together and you know just wash the areas. Ladies, my young ladies that don't know this, please don't wash like deep down there. Don't do that because you're just gonna mess up your pH level. It might cause an infection down there, so don't do it. Just do it around it, and trust me, all you need is water down there to make yourself clean. Do exfoliate. So I use Dove, way better than Tree's Hut. Let me tell you why. Don't really prefer that on my body because when I used it, I just feel like there's like so much, I think it has fragrance or something. Like my body was just, my skin was irritated, it didn't like it at all. I just feel like it just has so much, so that's why I use Dove exfoliating polish. This is way more smoother onto the skin, and with Tree's Head I feel like it's really harsh on my skin, and this one just goes on smoothly and it does the job. Like it really gets the job done. So I do recommend the vanilla, but you guys should also try this one out. I ran out of the vanilla and they didn't have it at Target, so I just got this one, and I tried this one before and this works amazing. The smell is definitely like it literally smells so good. Like I would literally put this on the day and then the vanilla at night. If you have sensitive skin like me, then I definitely think you should try out Dove. Trust me, they do have a few scents you could choose from. Dove, if you want to sponsor me, you can. Done exfoliating, I do go in with a razor. I typically don't use these kind of razors. Just to my legs, and when it comes to my armpits, I tend to just use any kind of razor because I feel like they work the same. When it comes to down there, I do use a 5-blade razor, and I don't think this is 5-blade actually. And to use this just for my legs and my armpits because they're those body parts are not sensitive to me, to whereas down there it's like very sensitive, and I want to be gentle and make sure I don't cut myself. So, and it could be very uncomfortable. 5-blade, like a men's razor for down there, is very good. And also around your other like body parts, I do recommend you guys use the 5 men's razor. Use conditioner because I do find that better. Skin after, like when I shave, like it just makes it soft, so that's why I use that, and it works for me. I don't know if it works for anyone else. So my favorite thing, body wash. I love Olay so much. I really do. I love Olay and I love Dove. These two are my favorite body washes ever. These are the only brands I will go for. I tried every single body wash. I love them all. I really love them all. Like Olay just smells so good. Like I love it. And this is in the Fresh Outlast White Strawberry and Mint. And guys, let me tell you, this smells so good, like but this one is definitely my favorite, especially for the winter. It really just gives off that fresh smell. I do recommend you guys get this. It will leave your body so fresh. A Dove, this one is like, honestly, this is like also my favorite one. This is the pepper and shea butter and warm vanilla, nourishes and feeds skin. This one is amazing as well. Love how it makes my skin feel. This one really moisturizes my skin. It's not bad, guys. Like honestly, I tried all the Dove's body wash and let me tell you, they are amazing, but I do prefer you guys try out this one. This one smells so good. Like when I first smelled this scent, I didn't think it would smell like this. Your skin will feel so amazing after, and I honestly feel like if you don't want to try Olay, I recommend this. We also got Summer's Eve. Now Summer's Eve, you don't have to use it every time. Kind of really don't recommend Summer's Eve. I do recommend it when it's that time of the month because it does tend to smell down there, you know. Heavy bleeder like I am. I do bleed heavy, and so like kind of like, you know, things up. But after the shower, I do use this and it's like completely like clean down there. I have no problems with it. I know some people have problems with like this kind of product, but for me it's really nothing. I do recommend you guys use baby lotion or use body lotion. This is Bath and Body Works body lotion, shea butter with vitamin E. The only reason why I said baby lotion is strictly because baby lotion does hydrate my skin and it does moisturize. Yes, it's okay to smell like a baby, okay? We all smelled like babies when we were babies. Like honestly, it doesn't say, okay, yeah, it does say baby lotion, but it doesn't say strictly for babies. No, it doesn't. Therefore, anyone could wear it. It makes my skin feel so moisturized, hydrated, and all of that. And I never had any problem with baby lotion, so that's why I like this. But if you want to smell extra good, okay, then I do recommend you guys go to Bath and Body Works or Victoria's Secret to get you like one of these. These are like more like fragrance lotion, especially, you know, on Valentine's Day, ladies. We are going to need a very nice body lotion, so I do recommend you guys Thousand Wishes. Everyone knows what Thousand Wishes smells like. It smells so bomb. As you can see, I'm almost out, but I also do recommend you guys go to Victoria's Secret for their lotions too. Honestly, I think I love their lotions more than Bath and Body Works. We all need to put deodorant when we get out the shower or when we go anywhere. We don't want to smell funky. What I use is a Dove. This is the Rose Petals. This smells so bomb. This does stay on a long time, I'm not gonna lie, but that's all I have to say about this. Like, this is like truly amazing. Like, I really love it. These perfume, we're on a budget, so we don't really have, you know, those fancy perfumes. But what we do have are these. This is the warm cozy, this is the soft dreamy, and this is the cool and bright. All of these smell so good, and you just want to spray these two on you, and like literally you can smell. I love showers, oh my god. But yeah, I love these, and these are amazing. This is also amazing. It's very like chill, like what it says, like it's not too strong, whatever. If you don't want to like spend money on like a really nice, like a really good perfume like Gucci and stuff like that, then I do also recommend like Victoria's Secret, because they do have like Bombshell. Those are like fragrance, like they stay on, so I do recommend you guys use that. I have like mini ones that I got for Christmas, and I haven't opened them because I am going to New York, which I am going to vlog, guys, trust and believe. I do recommend you guys use those. Those are like more cheaper, but they do stay on. Or just buy yourself some expensive perfume, because girl, you deserve it. So yeah, anyways guys, that is my shower routine. I hope you guys had like, you guys learned something, okay? And hopefully you guys try out this products. Comment down below if you have tried these products before, and what you like, what you didn't like, what's your favorite. Guys, that is all for the video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys sometime this week. Bye.